Today's Hot Wheels 2018 P Case unboxing, that's International P Case unboxing, is brought to you today by A&J Toys. There is all the information. There is also a link down below in the comments section if you want one of these cases or a Team Transport or a Car Culture. That is the place to go. A&J Toys sent this case over. It is the 2018 P Case. It should be in stores fairly soon. This is the international case. You know I like to do both international and US case unboxings. So the US case will be happening at another time. But let's go ahead and open this one up. This is the second to last case of 2018. We'll have the Q case. The O case, in case you're asking, is always skipped. The last one we did was N, then it's O. Or instead, obviously O is the next letter, but they don't do O because it looks too much like 0. So I and O are always skipped, in case you were wondering. All right. This is the 2018 P Case, and we are going to open it up right now. And we start with an HW450F. We go to a Fandango, and we go to a Bot Wheels. I have not seen that before. I believe that is a new model. It won't say on the international cards. It'll say new for 2018 on the US cards, but I'm assuming that is a new model. Sometimes I'm a little bit behind on the unlicensed models. This is the Eruption, Hot Wheels High, and the Teed Off 2. I've done some of these models. I tend to do several with each case, right? I'll do a US international case unboxing. I'll do a super showcase. I'll do a highlight video. I'll even do those quick case reports, which a lot of you like because it's just a quick reference before I get these unboxings or get these boxes to open them, and so you can see what, just for your reference, is inside. Ram 1500, Camaro ZL1. This is a recolor, I believe. Right? I always forget. The blue one, right? No, the blue is recolor of the orange. Oh man, so much. Winning formula in white, maximum leeway. I'm trying to remember what is the regular treasure hunt. You guys are always good about letting me know. This is the McLaren 720S. A lot of you like this model. Recolor from the orange. 2 of the Morris Mini in the Magnus Walker Urban Outlaw deco, and then the Mad Props. There are 2 McLarens in this case, the white recolor and this green recolor. Cloak and Daggers on top of it from the Checkmate series, and there is the Hot Wheel Flames recolor of the Custom 67 Pontiac. That's Brendan Vituski's car. At least the last year was the perfect replica, but that's the same casting. All right, 2 of the 67 Mustang Recolor and the Rig Storm. A lot of recolors because we're towards the end of the year, so you're going to see tons of models recolored, fewer newer models. Here's the Loopster, Rising Heat from the Chrome series, and there's the recolor of the Mustang. That thing is cool. I love the blue. I love this one in red too. One of my, I think one of the better new castings of the year. There's been a lot of great new castings. That one's up there. Okay. 55 Chevy in kind of a patina gray, which looks cool, and then a kick cart. Supposed to be like a soccer, I don't know. I'm always bad about that, but those are cool. 2 of the Surf and Turf, that's a Larry Wood casting, and how about that beauty? 52 Chevy. There's my dog barking. Since I've moved offices, I'm closer to where my dog is when she wants to get angry. Track Manga and the Embosser. Okay, the barking got way crazy. I had to pause for a second. If you've seen my little dog, she is little, but she is loud. Porsche 918 Spider. That's beautiful in red, recolor from the gray one. And there is the 70 Ford Escort RS 1600. From the Race Teen series, and if you saw the a video or 2 ago, this is also the Super Treasure Hunt. This is clearly not the Super in satin blue, but it looks good. But we did show the Super that Mattel sent, so you can refer to that in that video. All right, I've been doing these little corner pieces in the case. I think maybe to keep them a little more sturdy or something. Let's keep going. Groomobile, another one of those. 2 of the 15 Dodge Charger SRT. This is the Hellcat. There it is in purple. Really pretty in purple. Zombot. There is the Bone Shaker, the Racing Bone Shaker Recolor. Kind of a burnt orange. I don't think we're going to see the others recolored. I could be wrong on that. There's the Batmobile. Considering there's only one more case, it seems like that's the only one that would be recolored. All right. There's the star of this case. 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. 2 of those. I have showcased that model in our showcase. This one. A lot of you are liking this one. Real happy with this one. I am too. We are going to see a recolor. We're going to see a Walmart Zamak on that one. So that's kind of cool. And then another Groomobile. I'm saying it right? Groomobile. 2 of the 69 Chevelle SS. And then the Fiat 500. 2 of the Porsche Panamera. The police version. And there is that another very popular model that debuted in the end case, the Silverado Trail Boss. Bubble-matic, 2 of those, and the Fast Fish. Fast Fish is a cool casting. I kind of like that one. I like those colors on there. It's kind of nice. Okay, 2 of the Roadrunner, 70 Roadrunner, which has been modified, improved, I think, that casting. And then the Ram 1500. 70 Chevelle SS Wagon, 64 Impala, and a beautiful Porsche 934 Turbo RSR recolored in green. I like that one a lot too. A lot of Porsches in this one. But then again, there's a lot of Porsches in every Hot Wheels batch now. I'm not complaining. 2 of the Volkswagen T2 pickup recolor. Like that one. Sky-Fi helicopter thing. More recolors. Awesome Lamborghini Countach pace car. Up there is one of my favorite new models. Corvette C7. And then the Tesla Model X in black. Almost done. 2 of the recolor of the Batmobile. The Rockster Ski Team. Don't think a lot about skiing at this time of year, but especially here in Utah, here in a few months, we'll be thinking a lot about skiing. Dune Daddy, winning formula, and the Rally Cat. There you go. That is the P case. We only have one more to do, and I'll do some US unboxing. Still have to do, I think, the N case, the US N case, and then, of course, the USP, and then we'll get to Q, and then we are done, and we'll be in 2019. Crazy, right? There you go, guys. That is the case. Let me know what you like. I'd say the Demon is the highlight. I really like the Super Treasure Hunt in this one. Some recolors are cool. You guys let me know down below in the comments. Thanks for watching. More to come. Bye.